In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Spreadsheet widget in Jotform. This feature is incredibly handy if you're looking to integrate spreadsheet functionalities within your forms, making it easier for you to manage data efficiently. We'll take you through this process step by step to ensure that you can confidently add and configure this widget to suit your needs. First, fire up your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. Once you're on the Jotform homepage, you'll need to either log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new to Jotform. Signing up is straightforward and just involves entering your basic details. If you're already a Jotform user, simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. With access to your Jotform account, navigate to the Form Builder. Here, you should see a list of all your existing forms. Choose the form you want to work on by clicking it. Once inside the Form Builder interface, look towards the left side of your screen. You will find a purple button labeled Add Form Element. Give that button a click to proceed. After clicking, you'll see various options appear. To locate the Spreadsheet widget, click on the Widgets tab found at the top of this menu. You can either browse through the available widgets or use the search bar at the top of the widgets list to type in Spreadsheet. This should bring up the Spreadsheet widget as the first option. Now, you're going to want to drag and drop this Spreadsheet widget onto your form canvas. Simply click on it, hold your mouse button down, and drag it over to where you'd like it on your form. Release the mouse button, and voila, it's now part of your form. The next step is to configure your newly added Spreadsheet widget. When you click on it, a settings icon should appear. Clicking this icon will open up a configuration menu where you'll be able to adjust various settings according to your preferences. From here, you can set the number of rows and columns, make calculations, and customize how your spreadsheet will interact with users filling out the form. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, remember to hit the Update Widget button. This will make sure all your settings are saved. It's essential not to skip this step, as failing to update will mean your changes are not applied. And there you have it. You have successfully added and configured a Spreadsheet widget to your Jotform. This tool is a powerful feature that can greatly enhance data handling capabilities right from within your form. Feel free to explore and tweak the settings further if needed. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you find this edition helpful for your projects. Happy form building!